Hi, I want to show you what it's like to use Canvas to do your required reflection papers, to score them in Canvas, and the results you can get in Canvas. So I want to show you how we did this in the fall with FYS courses. So I'm going to look for an FYS course that used this process to assign the reflection paper for the service learning project that our students did with Junior Achievement. So I'm gonna, let's look at let's do Walter's. I'll go into Walter's section. And we have set this up so that he can score these reflection papers with SpeedGrader, and then those scorings can be summarized in the gradebook. Now, it's not just any gradebook. This is the normal gradebook. This is actually the Learning Mastery gradebook. You will typically see this as your gradebook, where the grades, you enter your number of grades. But there's another gradebook that you can turn on called the Learning Mastery gradebook, and it looks like this. And you see here we have QEP 2. I'm going to have to move these columns so we can see them all. Move you over here, move you over here. And let's see. 2, 1, 4, 5. Let's put in 3 before 4. Let's put in 2 before 3. And you can see now we have all 5 of the QEP 2 learning objectives and the score. You can see here we had a 4 out of 3. This is the exceeding expectations. We had several 3 for 3s, and I like the nice green color to let you know that we are meeting mastery and exceeding mastery. And then we have 2 out of 3 shows up as orange, and I don't see any zeros, though maybe these students that are not scored maybe should have had those zeros. So we can see the results here. We can go in and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 met, 1 exceeded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were partially meeting expectations. So another thing that can be helpful is you can put in the course average of these objectives, or if you would rather, the course median, and that can give you some good data too. So let's look at the assignment where this was done. And this was the service learning reflection paper. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to enter SpeedGrader so that you can see how Walter did this. So here we are with the first student. Here is their paper. And right over here is the rubric. And we can look at how this was scored. So with the rubric and outcomes, the way I had to set them up so you could still see the requirements for each different category is there is a rubric criterion immediately followed by an outcome measure. And it's these outcomes that we're actually most interested in. So you can read here the description of what exceeds expectations for initiative, and then you would basically click here and click here. These are paired. So in Walter's estimation, this was proficient, meets expectations. And so these two are matched, initiative and initiative. Down here, independence and independence are matched. So he said it partially met expectations in the rubric criterion and in the outcome that is scored. It's the outcomes that show up in the Learning Mastery gradebook. Okay, so that's how it was done. Can all be done through Canvas. The assignment given through Canvas. The students can complete it in Canvas, upload their file, and then you can score it and grade it in Canvas. And after you are done, you can go to the Learning Mastery gradebook and see how all of those scores came together for your QEP assessment report. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to import the QEP reflection assignments into your course. And that module will include the reflection prompts for QEP Objective 1, Global Perspectives, for QEP Objective 2, Professional Development, and the associated outcomes and rubrics that go with those assignments. All right, so come back. We'll see how to get that from Canvas Commons. See you soon.